Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay. I think you all are fine. Take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Okay. Yesterday we were talking which lesson? We were talking about, or we were learning about which lesson? What was the name of our lesson? We were talking about one and many. We were talking about one means singular. We were talking about many means plural. Correct? And I told you yesterday there were two sentences. The noun is said to be singular when we speak or write of any one thing. When we speak or write of only one thing. The noun is said to be plural when we speak or write of two or more things. When we speak of one thing, that is what? That noun is called what? Singular. And when we talk of two or more things, that is what? Plural. Correct? Then plurals are formed by, yesterday we studied, plurals are formed by adding s to the singular. What examples were taken by us yesterday? The first example which we took was of leg. Leg, legs. Hat, hats. A box, boxes. Hat, hats. One hat, many hats. Now second rule which is given over here is by adding es to the singular forms of nouns ending in o, s, sh, ch and x. Correct? Now if second rule is what? First one is what? By adding s. Example, hat, hats. Box, no, leg, 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 legs. Second rule is by adding es. Now when we add es, when the words end with o, any word, कोणताही शब्द जो ओ शब्द ओ लेटरनी एंड होणार. कोणत्या लेटरनी? ओ, एस. बाय ॲडिंग एस टू द singular form of nouns ending in o, correct, ending with s, ending with sh, ending with ch and ending with x. इथे काय केलंय आपण? जे कोणते शब्द एंडिंगला ओ असतो, ज्या कोणत्या शब्दांना एंडिंगला ओ असतो, ज्या कोणत्या शब्दांना एंडिंगला एस असतो, ज्या कोणत्या शब्दांना एंडिंगला एस एच असतो, ज्या कोणत्या शब्दांना एंडिंगला सी एच असतो आणि ज्या कोणत्या शब्दांना एंडिंगला एक्स असतो, त्या शब्दांना आपण काय ॲड करणार आहे? ई एस ॲड करणार आहे. काय ॲड करणार आहे? ई एस. अँड देन वेन वी ॲड ई एस टू सच वर्ड्स, they are going to change to what? From singular form they are going to change to plural form. Now I will show you examples of o. For every example we will take two words. Okay, now o, for example, potato, potato. mango, mango. Now what this potato will change to? Potato will change to potatoes. What we have added? We have added only es. Mango will change to what? mangoes, mangoes. One mango, many mangoes. Correct? So everywhere what we have added? For potato, these words are ending with o. They are ending with what? They are ending with o. Potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Now next words which are ending with s. The words which are ending with s. GAS, gas, and LASS, लास. कोणते शब्द आहे एंडिंगला, कोणता लेटर आहे एंडिंगला? इथे पण एस आहे आणि इथे पण एस आहे, राईट. सो व्हॉट गॅस विल चेंज टू? गॅस विल चेंज टू गॅसेस. वी हॅव ॲडेड ES. and las will change to lasses. Everywhere what we have added? We have added ES. We have added ES for word gas. We have added ES for word las. Okay. Next example we are going to talk about is SH. Next example is which? Can you see? Next example is of SH. Now for example SH, BRUSH, brush. Now SH is there in ending? Yes, SH is there? Oh yes, it is there. So BRUSESH. What we have added here? We have added ES. And ending letters are which? S and H are the ending letters, and when we add ES, those words change to brushes. Brush word will change to brushes, correct? Gas word will change to gases. Last word will change to lasses. Here SH is there, brush, SH. So it will change to what? Brushes. Can you tell some another example of SH? Come on, tell. I think so. I don't remember any another example of SH. If I will get it, or if I will come across any word, then I will tell you in between only. Okay. Of SH, I know only one example. Now we are going to talk about CH. Now CH word. CHURCH, church. Ending word is what? CH. Now that church word, when we will make plural of it, it will become churches. We have added what? We have added ES. Any other word is there or what of CH? Here one example is given, that is bench. BENCH, bench. Now one bench, many benches. BENCHES, benches. We have added ES here, we have added ES over here. Understood? Church, one church, many churches. One bench, many benches. Now we studied about CH. Now last one is X. BOX, box. Last word is what? Box. FOX, fox. Correct? If I will give you example, if I will add ES to this, box will become what? Box will become boxes. And fox will become foxes. Can you see? In ending, which letters are there? X letters are there. So we have taken examples of how many words? How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 letters, 5 examples we have taken. Potato, O. Mango. Potatoes, mangoes. One potato, one mango. Many potatoes, many mangoes. One gas, one lass, many gases, many lasses. One brush, many brushes. One church, many churches. One bench, many benches. One box, many boxes. One fox, many foxes. Have you understood in this way what we have studied? By adding ES, what happens? By adding, see here, picture is there. You are not able to see? There is some problem. By adding ES to the singular form, I am reading here. By adding ES to the singular forms of nouns ending in O, S, SH, CH or X as potatoes, potatoes, gas, gases, brush, brushes, bench, benches, box, boxes, glass, glasses. I took here only gas. Here glass will also work. GLASS. One glass, many glasses. Have you understood? Have you understood about the words? And find out. You can tell me one word. You can send WhatsApp example of words ending with SH. Correct? Brush. Trust. No. Some words you should know, but then I am not getting SH words. Now when I will stop video, then I will get all examples of SH, in the words ending with SH. Find out words which are ending with SH, okay? And what we have to do, we are going to study now. However, a few nouns that end in O form plural by adding S. Now there are some words, I told you just now, the words which are ending with O. Here it is told, however, a few nouns, there are some words that end in O form plural by adding only S. Piano, pianos. ES is not added here. O is there. Last O is there, but we are not adding ES. Kilo, kilos. Now KILO, kilo is what? It is a weight. And when we make plural of kilo, it becomes kilos. KILOS. We are not adding ES for these words, and we are not adding ES for this word also. Okay. I think you have understood. And we are going to study tomorrow first question of singular and plural. Okay. See you tomorrow. That's all for today. Bye.